Alright, everybody, in my never-ending quest to find sillier and sillier things to trade, today we're going to be trading perhaps the ultimate stupid meme coin. Yes, we are trading the fabled Squid Game Coin. Yes, the founders of which just sold all of their Squid Game coin and made 1600% or something. Alright, but believe it or not, Squid Game Coin is still around. And it, I guess, has charts. So we are going to attempt to trade it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do to practice trading in TradingView, which is this program, we're going to make sure we can't see the candles, and we're going to go back into the past. I don't even know how far back in the past we can go. Yeah, like November. This wasn't around for a super long time. And we're just going to find, see, there's not even that much data. We're going to go here. And we are going to replay the past and see how much money we can make. Then what we're going to do, let's make a new thing for Squid Game Coin. This is the 1 hour chart. Squid, I can't spell. I'm a good trader, not a speller. Alright. And we're going to copy the formulas for win and loss, so that'll calculate automatically. And now we just have to trade this. It's at 10 cents, 10.63 cents. And I'm just going to go through it, and we'll see what trades we make. This is very blocky because you can tell there's not that much volume. So that's definitely kind of uptrending. This is going to be real weird. ADX is declining. Do we really do this? What percentage is this? Yeah, this is going to be humongous percentages. This is the equivalent of a small loss. So we're going to say the stop loss is at that center line there. We're going for 5%, baby. And we got stopped out. Alright. It's a very silly coin. Just remember that. And it's 236. So we started off with a 2.4% loss, which sucks, I guess. Alright, I'm going to wait till the ADX actually kind of looks good. This is the ADX. You want it to be green and uptrending. That indicates that the trend is good. We do have that. It looks like this is called the MACD, and it's about to get across. Green crossing over red means it generally goes down, and the opposite. Which, see, this is the last cross, and it did generally go up. Let's see what this actually looks like. Yeah, it's not looking good. This could go down a bunch, and it probably will. Actually, look at that. Volume is increasing. We're just gonna go. This is kind of silly anyway. So let's say middle. Let's just say that is the provisional stop loss. Screw it. 4.7, and we're gonna go down here for a target. One more. Yeah, alright, we'll get out there. See, if I was actually trading this and this went down 2.71%, by the time it retraced halfway, I would almost certainly sell. But it's hard to know exactly what I would do live trading, because the candle just pops. You don't see the candle develop and go up and down, so We're gonna say I lost 4-8 on that. So far Squid Game isn't being very nice. But see, it did go down a whole bunch. The initial thing was right. Should have just held it. All right. You know what? We're just gonna go silly. There we go. 273, baby. In fact, I'm gonna let it ride again. Yup. That wasn't actually 273. That was 895. When I say let it ride, it means actually not sell it and just let it ride. This could go down again. Yup. If we get a red down to there. Nope. We've got a pretty good ratio. I'm not going to screw it up by doing risky stuff. Yeah, that would have been an okay short. I just want to see a little more oomph. This is actually looking kind of good. How much is that? Let's risk 1% to go to there. Okay. Yeah, the upper wick. Should have paid attention to that. I mean, I did, but it's not 100% that's really something that's always going to be countable. Yeah, 8x isn't good enough. That did go down quite a bit. But you can only do what's predictable. All kinds of random stuff will happen. These moving averages weren't here, and this was closed above that. I probably would take it. Alright, well this is like actually, I bounced against the center line. We are going to make the stop loss 10%. Okay. That went up 3%. It actually went up that much. You know, who's to say where I actually would have sold? Because if it's up 5%, it's like, it's time to sell. Nothing goes up that much. But we can count on 3.3. Actually, I'm going to let it ride again. Okay, so that was actually only 233. Still pretty good. I don't know, I bet it's going to hit that top line. And it came real close. Yup. I don't feel bad for not holding though. I mean, that would have been pretty cool. But that's a lot to make in a pretty short amount of time. Wow, it even went through. But it's going down now though. Okay. How much are we talking about here? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that. Squid Game Coin, baby. A lot of stuff did kind of look good for that, but I'm glad I didn't take it. If we get a big breakdown. Am I gonna do it? I don't know about this. Gotta remember that the numbers on this are just huge. Yeah, we're gonna say provisional stop loss is there. This is a silly coin anyway. Yep. Alright. 271. We're making insane money with this. I don't know why I don't just trade meme coins all the time, honestly. Whew, couldn't even let it ride. Man, it's even less volume. I bet it's gonna go down again. Yup. God. How much have we made from this? Over 10%. 10%. Forgot to put the start time. Dang it. When did we start? I could replay the video, but it was like around here. Let's say 4th of December. Yeah. No, not this. I hate the autofill. 21. Okay. Alright. So we made obscene money. This did cross there. Alright. This could be really stupid. Let's do that as a provisional stop loss. Let's go for that. I'm gonna bet on a bounce. Okay. It did bounce off of that. Provisional stop loss was here, remember. How much did I actually lose? 3%, 308. Made it a little less cool. Alright, this could be good. Let's... Actually, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, glad I kind of did. It is generally going down, but... Let's wait for the ADX to look good again. It is green. That could go up a bunch. Nah, it's not. It wasn't a good enough sign. See, if I made that the stop loss, like that bottom green line, it just barely would have not got stopped out. I did feel like there's some kind of upward movement coming, but... Alright, let's see what happens next. If we get a good green... Good green. Pretty tepid looking oscillator though. This is just a meme coin. Let's say 249 and there. See, this is one where, like, is there any chance that, yeah, I would see this go up 469 and not sell when it retraced here? Because there's just no way. There's no way I would do that. Like, this is... I'm going to put myself down for 150 because, like, that's a gigantic... That's a third of the way down. Like, there's just no way I wouldn't take that. Especially in a really kind of iffy situation. Like, we didn't have uptrending volume. I was just going off of this and this. That's pretty fair. Once you've traded live, you know, actually live... Oh yeah, Ethereum is kind of looking pretty good right now on the actual charts. Anyway. Got that, got that. kind of feel like this is going down. Let's go. Let's go for like that. Actually, nah. See, it got a good push down, but yeah, it did go down. Screw it. Actually, I'm not doing it. I should have. Why don't I just go with my instincts on this stuff? This is like crazy volatile though. And do we do it? This is below everything. I'm gonna make the stop loss provisionally the halfway point. We're gonna go for like something crazy. Alright, that was not a good one. So 302. Ugh. You need like another pretty good trade. I'm not doing this. Whoa. You know what? What does one even do with this? I am going to do Fibonacci retracement. We are going to go for, we're going to put that as the stop loss and that as the take profit. No! How much was that? 2% loss. No! I did not mean to do that. See, I was going to do it again there. Alright. We're going to say this is the stop loss, and it's going there. See, I'd have to see which way it actually went. I don't know. 308. Alright, we're going nuts. We're just gonna go for it. Alright, I'm getting out. Nine, 3-3. Actually, let's ride. Yeah, ride one more time. How much was that? 1388. Let's do... No. Let's say stop loss there. 3 down to there. Okay, that's pretty good. 344. Can't believe I'm trading this meme coin. If it goes down again. Let's actually look at what this volume is. Slightly higher volume. Let's do the stop loss there. Go for something big like that. Yeah. Alright. That was 9.7, I think. Oh man, I should have made it that. This could have gone so much better. Nope, I'm not doing it again. Unless we get something crazy. One more good trade and we'll call this a day. Nope. Alright. No, it's just not. Alright. That definitely crossed below it. This is looking pretty good. Let's say provisional stop loss there. Let's just go for it. And that's probably actually a decent percentage. 157. Alright. Let's go to that green line here. Alright, that got stopped out. That was 308. This is not adding. 489. Yeah. I'm gonna provisional stop loss there. And it pretty much went where I was saying. So this again, when I aim for a line like this, I usually sell before it gets there. Let's say I only got, I don't know. Listen, yeah. There's just no way. I'm gonna call it 4%. Yeah. Alright, let's just call it a day here. This was This is a pretty silly one right here. So 12 December. Sorry, 14 December 21. This is, I'll call it 12. So this was not a good ratio, win to loss. And it's exactly 2 to 1. Okay. And this number got messed up. We need it to be 78. And this needs to be 77, I think. Alright. Per day, this was 10 days. So even though losses were pretty bad, I still made almost 2% a day. Yeah. Alright, so let's see how much. Are we still recording? Yep. Let's see how much. I mean, winning 2/3 of the time is still pretty good. 191. Let's figure out realistically how much I would have made per day. This is pretty rough, but I use 3x leverage. I can trade for about half the day, so 28785. So 2.87. So let's say 8. It's because, yeah, rounding up. So we're turning $10,000 into $316 million in a year, with an effectual annual rate of over 3,000,000%. Now, you probably couldn't trade that much money with something like Squid Coin, because there's like very few people trading Squid Coin, so that's kind of not realistic in that scenario. But you know, if you could trade at this rate, that would be pretty significant. Whatever you would make, whatever you started out with, would end up turning into kind of a lot of money. So yeah, that's Squid Coin, probably the stupidest cryptocurrency to ever exist, Squid Game Coin, but we made some money, so that's fun. Alright, thanks.